Oh, you missed it. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to get this little cute Minnie Mouse style buns with a little twist in the middle. Hey, so I basically just start with a part in the middle of my hair, and then I'll do, as if I'm going to a cane roll my hair, I'll do another small part, and then I'll box it off as if I'm about to do a box braid. And then the little section that I just boxed off, I just twist it. Sorry, I was kind of watching the Real Housewives of Atlanta reunion, so that's why I'm always looking to the side. And then I'll just do 3 on each side. So the same steps, just box it off. I use my edge control, which I show later, but is the black castor oil edge control by MILNROW that I just got from my hair shop, my local hair shop. And I just use it to keep the twist in, and I do 3 twists on each side. Once I have the 3 twists on each side, I basically get one of the front twists. So I started with the right one, and then I just pull it back diagonally and connect it to the other side with an elastic band. So here I just cross it over to the back diagonally to another twist, and then with an elastic band I just connect them together. So as you can see, it just crosses over, makes a little X, and then I do the same process with the last 2 twists. Crossover, elastic band, crossover, elastic band. Nice and simple. So as you can see, it's like a little crisscross pattern, and then what I do with the leftover hair, I just twist that together to make one big twist, and then I just wrap it up into like a top knot. Then I just get my little jewelry accessory, which I got from my hair shop. It's just a gold thing that I put in my braids. So I just open it up and put it on top of the cross and just pinch it in really. After my little Cardi break, I was watching Cardi on SNL. I just spray my hair with 2 sprays. I talk about them at the end, and then I just comb it out with a wide tooth comb. I don't like to comb my hair out dry because then it pulls at your hair, so I make sure that I always comb and detangle my hair when it's wet and damp. So I use my castor again, and I just pull it around the edges of my head. So I just apply it to the edges of my hairline, my hair. I'm going to get a hard brush. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, get a hard brush and it's literally just brush and stick that with my hands. And then I push it all together up into a high bun. And once in the bun, I just apply some more edge control just for those bits that didn't really slick up. And there we go, looking like Chung Lee. So I realised that I forgot to tell you what sprays I used. This, my sister, this is something tinny finish that I made up. It's just apple cider vinegar,
my coconut oil,
Jamaican black castor oil, and virgin olive oil. Just put in the microwave, meld it all together, and a bit of water. It's probably that much water, and then that much oils. That's that. And then I also use this, which is the COIL Calm Detangler. And then I already put that up there. That's the black castor oil from MILNROW, I think. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to stick my puffs like this. I put my puffs into, I do a twist out. And I'll just spray these in it again. And I use the coconut curling cream, just to put it in twist out. I might add a picture or a video or something. Or might not. Depends how I feel. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. I think it's an Instagram, Snapchat video. I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now. But thanks for watching. You know, again, subscribe, like, comment, blah. Oh, see you next time.
I mean, I've been stoned.